What's up guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to be bringing you a product overview on this BedRug impact mat for the Toyota Tacoma. For those of you that are familiar with the BedRug name, you probably know them for their rug textured bed mats that they do that have kind of a soft carpet feel to the top of them. Now, the impact mat is still from BedRug, but this is a little bit different in that it's got a rubberized texture over it, so it's almost more like a truck bed liner. Now, the way this thing is constructed, it does still have the foam mat underneath that gives it some cushion, and it's going to be cut to fit to the ribs of the bed. And then on top of that, you have this UV resistant and weather resistant rubber coating that allows you to keep this in your truck bed at all times. So it's meant to be used in a pickup, and you can use it for camping, hauling gear, construction work, whatever that may be, and it's going to hold up to that abuse. Now, underneath, that foam is also designed to be mold and mildew resistant, so should you spray this down or get water in here or it rains in the back of your truck, it's not going to get all soaked and nasty or get kind of a sponge feel to it. Water will just kind of flow out of it, and then as soon as your truck dries out, the BedRug's going to dry out with it. Now, something to note with the BedRug impact mat is that as far as install is concerned, it's a little bit more involved than your regular drop-in rubber bed mat. The impact mat essentially attaches with some Velcro strips and 3M adhesive that bonds to the bed ribs underneath and then allows you to peel it back out should you want to get to the actual base of your bed without having the mat over the top of it. The one part that's a little bit more unique though is that it does have this attached tailgate mat, which still uses a little bit of Velcro, but on the Tacomas will also mount underneath this panel for the bed cap. So when you're installing it, you actually do end up removing these screws so you can slide it underneath. That is a little bit more involved, and it does take some more time to put it in or take it back out doing that, but the advantage is that the edge of the bed mat isn't going to catch when you're sliding things in and out of the bed because it's tucked underneath. The impact mat also features some cutouts in these bottom corners here that allow you to get to the tie downs underneath, so that way you can still strap cargo down in your bed and you don't lose all that functionality. Overall, the BedRug mat's a pretty nice product, and it's definitely something to consider if you're looking for a way to get an anti-slip rubberized mat in your bed, either for protection or just to help maintain your cargo and keep things a little bit cleaner. So if you're interested in picking up one of these BedRug impacts, go ahead and jump down in our description, click those links, it's going to shoot you through to the website, and I will see you guys next time.